This na Motema Tong, Nimikoro Chiefdom Kono District, and this na part of Constituency 23, where Honorable Musa Fofana they represent, and this na one of the tongue them, where Honorable Fofana get development project them. This na the community barre where Honorable Fofana they build for people na Motema Tong as part of a commitment we be don't make for help in people with some pressing development needs them. How this development come about and how this go help people na this tongue in terms of recreational and social facility.
First of all, I tell Musa Fofana, thank you very much. I said I don't take 51 years also, but for let get honorable, we the member Motema for can be this kind of structure. For now, we keep making and Musa Fofana, let God bless him. He do extremely well for Motema people who appreciate it. Then I say put far on that I tell the work they go on. Woman, the man, the youth, the evidence, they all go clap for this who was appreciate it because we're ready for gold meeting. Mr. Kungbana during Tiankabanta, MB or councillor, be small body for winner campaign under. That small body, the whole go pass with Mapunado because we're not doing inside, but this is now what they do inside. Actually appreciate them. To run too much,
yeah, we appreciate. We say thanks to run too much. The community, the barrier is very important story because one, we not get barrier at the town for meeting, we not get site for go do some things then, but we don't very try for it because yeah, then they do meeting and they do FF and then also we just say thank you.
Very, very happy because you don't say we cry for such opportunity. God don't carry it out. We're happy about that. It's very important to me because right now also for even old barrier, for even keep meeting, we not be getter. Not be get a sign. That's why they use that school hall. Without don't take God thank you, don't get.
From six, where are they inside Chiefdom? The old barrier will meet now. From where for them? No able get barrier. It don't pass 30 years, don't now 33 years now. This Chiefdom also. One will not get barrier now. Fofana na injury barrier. By God, inshallah, long life and well, but you put on the back.
From Motema Tong, Gbla TV Online as part of Nwakana Constituency 23 for no more but development. I've been taking stop na Bumpe Tong, still inside Nimikoro Chiefdom Kono District, and the same community center projects they carry on na this tongue when Honorable Musa Fofana the support them.
Well, like for the Saudi right now we na Bumpe Town from the word go Bumpe no be ever get a community center wherein the people will get then get the meeting them for brainstorm on issues and we then get between them down in the community how to go about issues because I only believe see ways people and they together they able to get sit down and discuss between themselves. They will get the way forward for their own community. They not get any way they sit down for discuss any issue. You know it's difficult for the community to get the way forward.
Over 30 years politicians then they like you. No more Mr. Fofana come the time for campaign. We need to tell them we want say if you wanna make wanna vote me in, I will vote Barry for me. And the Barry to see then the next week.
And this Barry, we're happy for this Barry. We want to tell the Honorable thank you. We tell the C4C party thank you. Because the C4C party don't make it, we don't get married in Abumpeton. From 1992, we lost Barry in Abumpeton. During the war, where the rebel war, we make the Barry before that. We don't get plenty honorable, they pass honorable than at this place. What in the promise we for Barry, but never give me Barry. But we tell Honorable Fofana, thank you. We don't make it, we don't get Barry in the song.
But what to make Honorable Musa Fofana choose for come back to him people for do them kind development project them here?
Well, first of all, during the days of campaign, when we start as families and friends of Sam Sumana, till we finally get the C4C political party for come at the limelight, and finally we win election. I think the campaign strategy was that we people them they tell we say they get members of parliament them we don't they win election they not even come for even tell the people and thank you. So that now been like one big something we say we campaign on. Say when we win, we will come back and we will tell them thank you. When we win, we will come back and tell the people and thank you.
Honorable Fofana carry on say, now the Constituency Development Fund, where it be get inside 2018, he used for start some of them projects here, back up with Inyon Couple as MP, and he get other projects them of this kind and more.
Today we the boss say, now with constituency so far we don't get 4 community barriers of this nature we the seen Bumpe and other communities, and we also don't get 3 community schools where in completion phase now, and at the same time we get other project them we now give cement to people for maintenance, the young barrier them and plaster in school. So we are moving.
But how it sound like for involved in that kind of project here?
It's very difficult for you able to achieve you political strives where you consider only through your own basic salary or through the assistance of other good people around. And we own Angulu they get money from, if you not to form a basic salary, pass yearly way mining companies then pay them surface rent, the 10% with the MP they get, we they make sure say we put them together and bring and come now with development. So now so we do, and then we myself get my salary, I they tell them say now this I don't get, and themselves they tell me say now this then at the account, we they use them for implement. It's very difficult, but if we say we campaign on that platform, and we also feel say they complement government effort, and we also feel say we people they need them, so we not get option as good and better politicians. We feel say we for payback to which people and give away na the mandate. We are doing everything for keep towards that.
For Gbla TV Online Constituency Worker, right inside Constituency 23, Nimikoro Chiefdom Kono District. Me na Gbla the report.